Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the beautiful Fairmont Gold 1-bedroom suite. Reggie from the future here, guys. Quickly, just want to let you know I did make a mistake. It is not the Fairmont Gold 1-bedroom suite. It is the Fairmont Gold Deluxe Suite that I'm showing you. It's actually one better than what I mentioned at the start of this video. So you'll get a notice throughout the video I'm going to make the mistake, but I alter it with a little bit of a voiceover work. So enjoy this beautiful room type. Now, quick update also on the rest of the rooms. These are the only rooms I've been able to shoot, the Deluxe and also the Fairmont Gold Deluxe Suite. They're the only ones that I've been able to actually shoot during my time, during my stay at the beautiful Fairmont Bangkok. The thing is, there's not many rooms available right now, and also the rooms that are available are currently occupied by other guests. So as the room categories come out, I'll release more videos to show you all the different room categories, and then at the end I'll put them all together to make it easy for you. So yeah, watch this space, coming very soon. Enjoy this beautiful room. It is absolutely stunning. Check it out right now. I'm so happy to be able to show you this incredible suite because there's not that many rooms that are ready for me to show you yet. The hotel just opened, and now I'm able to show you guys one of the suites, which is their beautiful Fairmont Gold Deluxe Suite. I've also ordered some room service, so that will be coming very soon because I want to show you guys also the room service, because I had some the other day, some yellow curry chicken, which is on the room service menu for only, I think it's like 380 baht. It is so good. So I want to show you guys that as well. So that's going to come soon, probably during this tour. But let's have a look at this gorgeous suite, this beautiful Fairmont Gold Deluxe Suite. Welcome to the suite. So this is the entranceway. You actually have a nice mirror here as you come through. And as you come down this giant hallway, you're led to another mirror here. And then on the left is going to be your very nice guest bathroom, featuring more mirrors, of course, and also the body lotion and also hand wash. It's so elegant and so beautiful. This is your full walk-in closet wardrobe, which we'll check out very, very soon. But you come through to this main living room area, which is absolutely stunning. Look at this, so beautiful, with the hugest TV. I think it's going to be 75 inches. That TV is absolutely massive, complete with a sound bar there. A little nook over in the corner here, which I really like, and there's even some power down below here as well, so you can charge your outlets there, your devices. Nice couch there, like a working desk area here with the beautiful Fairmont logo there, and also the pen, or the pencil. This is your in-room dining, as well as all the information about the hotel as well. Over here on the left is going to be like your minibar area. So you open this up and you're going to have your waters in here, you're going to have your tea, coffee, espresso machine. Everything is going to be in this very beautiful cupboard. Also got there the nice teapot, espresso machine, kettle. In here is going to be your minibar. We've got some wine there, some more things down below here, including, what do we have in the drawers? Da-da-da. Oh, all our spirits in the drawer here, available for your minibar. And then in here is going to be the fridge. And the fridge, of course, is completely stocked. You will never run out of things to drink in this beautiful fridge. And then more things down here. Glasses. Oh, that's very nice. It's beautiful. Beautiful bottle opener there. More treats there for the minibar. And another another little teapot with a timer. Very, very cool. So that is the full-on minibar here in the beautiful Fairmont Gold 1-bedroom suite. Continuing into the bedroom, look at this. This is so nice. Beautiful bedroom. It's been turned down already, so I've got my slippers there, ready to go. Separate air conditioning controls in this room. And also in this room, you got different air conditioning. You can set the different temperatures of what you desire. Big TV in here as well, and a beautiful bed. The bed is so comfortable, peaceful, and relaxing. And it does also feature here your outlets, USB-C, and also international power. And now we also have the curtains, which are all accessible and automatic there as well, unlike in the deluxe room. This is really cool. This TV is here now, but we can actually just do this and the TV will disappear. Look at that, into the wall. The TV will close off into the wall and it completely opens up the room, and you can pretend you have no TV in your bedroom and you can enjoy the peaceful time of sleeping without the TV. Or maybe you want the TV, you can just pull it out of the wall and there it is. The beautiful TV comes out and you can then watch TV again. That is so, so cool. That's available here in the beautiful 1-bedroom suite. I love it. Wireless charging, of course, here as well. Double point here for the wireless charging this time, unlike in our deluxe, and beautiful lighting throughout the room. Here, you're going to have more power outlets, little nook there, you can chill out and relax, and then coming into the beautiful bathroom. Look at this, wow. Nice big bathtub. Also featured, of course, bath salts. Very nice, all from the LABO. And then, giant mirror. Huge mirror, make yourself big and small here. Of course, again, we have hand soap and our body lotion. Santal 33, very nice. Double vanity, very beautiful. Lots of different things to enjoy here. Face washes, you've got even more over here. You've got more power. Tissue box, what do we got down here? Oh, all of our amenities, of course, are gonna be in the drawer there. And then, what I really love, is check out this shower. It's a double shower, one here, and one here. You can shower at the same time, guys. And look, let's have a look here. They've also got that Santal 33 conditioner, shower gel, and shampoo. I'm pretty sure in the other rooms, it's Rose 31 or a different type to Santal 33. So that could be interesting. I have to ask about that. Fairmont robes here, looking mighty fine, and another black mirror there as well, which I love the black mirrors. And also another make yourself big and small mirror here too, which can actually have 3 different temperatures, warm, cool, and also a mixture, and then of course off. Very nice. Our royal thrones also now feature intelligent bidets. So they all have these built-in features here, and they'll even present themselves and open themselves for us. It is a smart toilet now, being in the beautiful Fairmont Gold 1-bedroom suite. Check out that bathroom one more time. So nice. And now we finish off here in our walk-in robe, which again is delightful. We're gonna have big safe. This is perfect for all your safety needs. Huge safe there. We do have slippers in 2 sizes, medium and also large. And then also, we've got massive amount of luggage storage, lots of hanging space. And I've also got Fairmont Fit here, which I've actually organized for Andre to try. You can actually get your own Fairmont Fit gear, which is going to be shoes, a top, pants. You can set it on your profile in the core, and then you deliver it to your room when you stay at Fairmont. It's going to be in the room when you arrive. So it doesn't mean you have to bring your sneakers or different fitness wear, because you can actually get it here at the hotel, and then you can use it, of course, in the gym. Leave it in your room when you finish, and then they'll clean it, wash it, and reuse it next time for someone else. So it's very cool. It's available here at Fairmont for their Fairmont Fit. Also, yoga mat there as well. And there is another featured, another big mirror here too. So yeah, this is a beautiful Fairmont Gold 1-bedroom suite. Smart toilet in there as well. It is a really nice room. Of course, there are many suites here. They've actually got a lot of suites. You guys have been asking for me to show you, say, Reg, hey, I want to see the presidential suite. I can't show you that because it's not ready. But as soon as the other suites are ready, I'm going to show you guys. I'll be back here to show you the other room types that they've got, because I want to, of course, show you everything from the Fairmont King to Deluxe, all the way up to the presidential 2-bedroom suite as well. So once that's ready, you'll be the first to see it right here on Be Back for Travel. And remember, you can come and stay at the moment with a really great offer, which is the Accor Preferred deal, where I can give you the 3rd night free, 100 US credit, room upgrade. You can also get early check-in, late checkout, and also complimentary breakfast for 2 people as well. Even if you're not a member, I can get you all those benefits. And the room service has arrived. Let's go meet the team to see my yellow curry has arrived. Let's check it out. I'm excited. Sawadee ka. Hello. Nice to meet you. And you have my amazing chicken.
All right.
I love it. Yellow curry chicken. So good. Welcome. So this is in-room dining. You can just call the team. They will deliver to your room. There's a really nice in-room dining menu, which is actually different to the other menus in the hotel. So you can get delivered to your room, and the pricing is very good as well. So he'll set up, and then we'll try some of the food. So this is great, guys. I know that a lot of the time I wouldn't be doing in-room dining, but I was told by the team you need to try some of the in-room dining, so I thought I'd give it a go. So I tried the other day the yellow curry chicken. I absolutely loved it. I didn't film it because I didn't think anything of it at the time, and then I was like, actually, I need to show you guys this, because I mean, a lot of people won't choose in-room dining, but the cool part is, if you are booking the rate with 100 US credit, of course, the in-room dining is also included in that as well. So that means you can get room service. It's going to be inclusive in the offer. It works out to be about 3,500 baht roughly for the 100 US credit, so you have an idea of what you can spend. And the actual yellow curry chicken yellow curry is around 380 baht or 360 baht. Let me double check. So they have a full actual room service menu, which is going to be in the directory, which you can find in your room. This is the directory. So it's got everything about the hotel, message from the GM, and you can talk about the blooming stage for a celebration in the heart of Bangkok. The first Fairmont, guys, in Bangkok. It goes for all the outlets, Pool Club, Harper's. This is in-room dining menu. So they have the in-room dining. Now, yeah, where is it? Yellow curry chicken. 380 baht, guys. It's a great deal. I also got some chippies, which are 200 baht, I think it is, 220 baht for chips. Yeah, really good deal. Sides, French fries, 220 baht. So I really love it. I actually asked for not spicy because I don't like spicy, and I also got a Pepsi. So for everything is about 800 baht and delivered to my room. Don't have to leave, don't have to worry about going downstairs. I'm super tired. I've been filming so much. So this is a perfect way I can enjoy a beautiful meal here in my room, in my beautiful suite. So I want to show you what I have so you guys get an idea. So this here is what has been delivered to me in room dining. You can very simply just pick up the phone and call the in-room dining. This is the yellow curry chicken. This is so amazing. It comes with complete with chicken, of course. Beautiful pieces of chicken. It's got nice potato. It is an incredible dish. I just put the rice, jasmine rice, pop it in there, mix it all together, and it's amazing. Chippies, French fries, and then also we've got this nice condiment mix here, which I actually tip this into my curry as well to make it a little bit sweeter. Comes complete with mayonnaise and also the sauce as well there for the chips, and I'm finishing with the Pepsi Zero because this property is a Pepsi product, so it's just, you know, so it's not Coke. So yeah, I know what this tastes like, but let's see. Oh, it's so good. It's exactly how I remember it. I'm going to enjoy this. I'm going to go to sleep early tonight. Well, not early. It's already 10 o'clock at night. The actual in-room dining is available 24/7. The main menu is actually available till 11 p.m. at night. So it gives you a really good time to enjoy the full menu if you are working late. And they also do breakfast in the room as well. I was told by Chef Jay I need to try the dim sum. Then I saw the dim sum is actually on the breakfast menu, not on the evening menu. So I have to order that before 11 a.m. I cannot get that in the evening. So it's very cool. This is a beautiful in-room dining, another venue, another place you can order food, of course, in the room. And then when you're done, they'll come collect it, and it's just like you have your own restaurant in your room. Anyway, I'm going to eat this, enjoy it now, and then we'll continue showing you guys the beautiful, amazing, I'm absolutely loving my stay here at the Fairmont Bangkok Sukhumvit, the very first Fairmont here in Thailand.